Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could transform any room into a personalized home theater, with sound that envelopes and immerses you in every moment? The Sonos In-Wall by Sonance is a game changer, offering an unparalleled listening experience that will leave you wondering how you ever settled for ordinary speakers. This top-rated and highly sought-after product has been a favorite among many customers, with a multitude of people purchasing and reviewing it, praising its exceptional quality and performance. The architectural speakers by Sonance are designed for focused listening, providing bold sound for TV, music, and more, with the option to power them with an amp for the full Sonos experience, including custom TruePlay tuning. This feature is a standout, as it accounts for the size, construction, and layout of the room, adjusting for the best possible sound. The specially designed grills can be painted to match your walls, creating a seamless and discreet integration that is both stylish and functional. When you power these wired speakers with an amp, you unlock the true potential of the Sonos In-Wall, with sound that is rich and detailed, filling the room with a sense of depth and dimension. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or enjoying a sporting event, the result is a truly immersive experience that draws you in and refuses to let go. The Sonos In-Wall by Sonance is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience, providing a level of quality and sophistication that is hard to find elsewhere. With its exceptional sound, sleek design, and ease of use, it's no wonder this product is a popular choice among those who demand the best. If you're looking to take your home audio to the next level, the Sonos In-Wall by Sonance is definitely worth considering. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.